Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Capcut online on browser. So first you can start by opening your browser here and then just type in Capcut. Okay, so this is the result. You can use this Capcut.com. You can go to this page and this page will be open here. If you want to use it on your browser, you can just scroll down and you can use the link here. So you not scroll down, you can just click on this try CapCut online at the top, and then you'll be directed to this editing page. If you want to sign in, you can sign in here, but I'm not going to sign in. And here you can just upload the file or the media that you want to edit. For example, I'm going to edit this one, this videos right here. Click on the video, click on open, it will be uploaded, and after it finishes uploading, you can just drag it into the track in here, the timeline, and then just start to edit your clips. So there are so many features that you can do. You can choose templates, you can add elements, audio, text, captions, and effects. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the links. Bye.